Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic explanation about atmosphere. Features of atmosphere. Layers of atmosphere. An atmosphere contains the air that we breathe and is a blanket of gases that surrounds Earth. It is held near the surface of the planet by Earth's gravitational attraction. A barometer is used to measure air pressure, argon, oxygen, and nitrogen, the three main constituents of the atmosphere. In this article, let us know in detail about the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? An atmosphere is a blanket of gases that surrounds the Earth. It is held near the surface of the planets by Earth's gravitational attraction. Argon, oxygen, and nitrogen, the three main constituents of the atmosphere. Definition: atmosphere is a protective layer of gases that shelters all life on Earth, keeping temperature within a relative small range and blocking out harmful rays of sunlight. Features of the atmosphere: helps retain the sun's heat and prevent it from escaping back into space, protects life from harmful radiation from the sun, plays a major role in Earth's water cycle, helps keep the climate on Earth moderate. There is no boundaries between the atmosphere and outer space. The atmosphere gets less dense and denser until it blends into outer space. Layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere have five distinct layers that are determined by the changes in temperature that happens when increased altitude. Layers of Earth atmosphere are divided into five different layers as exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. Troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer in the atmosphere. It extends upward to about 10 kilometers above sea level, starting from ground level. The lowest part of the troposphere is called the boundary layer, and the topmost layer is called tropopause. The troposphere contains 78% of all air in the atmosphere. Most clouds appears in this layer because 99% of the water vapor in the atmosphere is found here. Temperature and air pressure drops as you go higher in the troposphere. When a parcel of air moves upwards, it expands. When air expands, it cools. Due to this reason, the base of the troposphere is warmer than its base because the air in the surface of the earth absorbs the sun's energy, gets heated up, and moves upward, as a result of which it cools down. Stratosphere. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere, which extends from the top of the troposphere to about 50 km, 31 miles above the ground. The ozone layer lies within the stratosphere. Ozone molecules in this layer absorb high energy ultraviolet UV light from the sun and convert it into heat. Because of this, unlike the troposphere, the stratosphere gets warmer the higher you go. Mesosphere. Above the stratosphere is the mesosphere and it extends to a height of about 85 kilometers, 53 miles from the ground. Here the temperature grows colder as you rise up through the mesosphere. The coldest part of our atmosphere are located in this layer and can reach minus 90 degrees Celsius. Thermosphere. Thermosphere lies above the mesosphere and this is a region where the temperature increases as you go higher up. The temperature increase is caused due to the absorption of energetic ultraviolet and X-ray radiation from the sun. However, the air in this layer is so thin that it would feel freezing cold to us. Satellites orbit Earth within the thermosphere. Temperature in the upper thermosphere can range from about 500 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius or higher. The aurora, the northern lights and southern lights occur in this thermosphere. Exosphere. Exosphere is a final frontier of the Earth's gaseous envelope. The air in the exosphere is constantly but gradually leaking out of the Earth's atmosphere into outer space. There is no clear cut upper boundary where the exosphere finally fades away into the space. Ionosphere. The ionosphere isn't a distinct layer, unlike other layers in the atmosphere. The ionosphere is a series of regions in part of the mesosphere and thermosphere, where higher energy radiation from the sun has knocked electrons loose from their parent atoms and molecules.